Okay, welcome back. So what I've done is we really have limited space on the board, so I've been able to wipe out a little bit from here and here. So we're going to come back to the formula, and this formula has to be, um, we have to make distance now a subject of formula. And when you make distance, it will be distance will be equal to d lat all over cos theta. Remember that theta is the cos. This is our cos. Cos, okay? Um, it's 39 degrees, 0.6. And bringing it to true cos is 320.4 degrees true. Don't forget. But for our solving, we're going to be using this cos 39.6. Okay? So we have now our d lat was 66, right? We divide 66 by cos 39.6. Where's the calculator? So yes, so we're going to divide d lat by cos theta, and when I do that, I will have 66 divided by cos 39.6, and this gives me 85.66 nautical miles. So this is our distance. So that's the distance, and with this, I think we've done justice to that question. And I'm just going to give you an extra top up. Yeah, you will call it a top up. It's not part of run blind selling, but it's a basic knowledge that I think you need to know. And it's about the distance triangle. Okay? This is the distance triangle. And we have something like this on this. DST. Delta, Sierra, and Tango. So delta is distance. Sierra is speed. And Tango is time. So I want you to have this basic skill just in case you have questions on where you're asked to find ETA or bunkers. It comes in handy. Or in chat work when you have questions like to find ETA or calculate the speed or an average speed or distance or whatever, any of them. So this is how it works, okay? So it means distance will be equal to speed times time. Okay? Okay? And speed will be equal to, just like from the triangle, you have speed is now distance divided by time. Okay? And time will be, as you see it, distance divided by speed. Okay, gents, I think this is just a top up for you. So thank you very much. My next video should be on maybe variation, or I'll do some definition of terms. So please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and also hit the bell icon so that you can get notified whenever I make a new post. And please tell your friends, navigators, those who are writing exams, nautical cadets, those writing class 1, class 2, class 3 certificate of competency, especially DEC, to follow my channel. And trust me, it's going to help you. It's going to be very, very educative, and it will come in handy. And for those writing exams, good luck. Good luck. I wish you all the best. Thank you very much. Thank you.